Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how top PUBG Mobile players achieve such incredible control on their iPads? The secret often lies in mastering the six-finger claw setup. It completely transforms your gameplay, giving you unparalleled movement, aiming, and firing capabilities all at once. This method truly offers a competitive edge, allowing you to perform complex actions simultaneously. By the time we're done, you'll have a clear path to becoming a true claw master, ready to elevate your game significantly. Before diving into the game settings, let's prepare your iPad itself. A clean screen is absolutely crucial for precise touch input, so always wipe it down. Finding a comfortable grip or a slim case that doesn't block your fingers is also essential for long play sessions. Remember, a higher refresh rate on your iPad, if available, provides a much smoother visual experience, which is vital for competitive play. Now for the heart of six-finger claw, your custom HUD layout. This is where you strategically position buttons for maximum efficiency. Your thumbs typically handle movement and primary aiming, while your index and middle fingers on both sides take over actions like shooting, scoping, leaning, and quick weapon swaps. Don't be afraid to experiment with button sizes and transparency. The goal is to make every control feel intuitive and easily accessible without straining your hands. Beyond your button layout, optimizing your in-game settings is key to unlocking the full potential of six-finger claw. You'll need to fine-tune your sensitivity for both camera and ADS, finding what feels natural with your multi-finger grip. Embracing gyroscope control for precise aiming, particularly at longer distances, can truly be a game changer. Finally, always prioritize stable graphics settings for consistent frame rates. Smooth gameplay is far more beneficial than stunning visuals. Learning six-finger claw won't happen overnight, but consistent practice is absolutely essential for mastery. Begin in the training grounds, spending time on specific drills that combine movement with shooting, scoping, and leaning. Focus on building that crucial muscle memory for each finger's role. Gradually introduce your new skills into classic matches, and don't get discouraged by initial struggles. With dedication, you'll see your gameplay truly elevate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.